Hello everybody. Yeah, as you can see, guys, that's 12,847 US dollars in profit. For those who are in my Telegram group, you all know that I started this account with something like 1,200. I first deposited $200 and I deposited 1,000 US dollars when I was trading US 500 in the Nasdaq. So guys, yeah, it is what it is. So I just want to show you everything about. I think I deposited something like on Tuesday or Wednesday. Within a week, from 1,000 to 12,000. Man, it is what it is. So I'm just going to show you how to withdraw this live with you here. So before I do so, I just want to show you something. Let me pause the video and go to Telegram. I just want to show you something. How I was able to move in from 1,000 to a 12,000 withdrawal. Yeah, it is why if you trade with Mr. Mbada, guys, trust me, you never go wrong. Let me pause the video and show it to you guys. Yeah, so guys, I thought I took pictures, but I realized that I didn't took screenshots, but I recorded a video instead. So if you watch this video saying that I was wrong about Just Forex Broker, that's the something like the title of the video. I was wrong about Just Forex Broker. You can see where my arrow is. It's a video. I thought I took pictures, but I was wrong. I recorded a video about this account. You can check. I made a deposit of something like $200, and then after that I deposited again 1,000 US dollars. So yeah, 2,000 or something. So you guys, I just want to show you something. So yeah, I've been trading it. Right now it's on 12,000. So let me just show you something. So yeah, this guy, I think he's from India. I think his name is Roshan or something like that. He's from India, or if he's not from India, he's from Pakistan or this Nepal or something like that. They're the ones who choose these kind of names, Roshan, Rashik or something like that, Raj or Raj Kumar or something like that. So guys, this guy, he texted me, hello, I like your strategy, but your YouTube video doesn't have any explanation of your strategy or strategy of the strategy. I don't know what he was trying to say. Yeah, I was like, yeah, you are welcome. So I was trying to tell him, he seems to be very, very honest, seems to be very, very interested on the strategy. So me, I was trying to show him, as you know, I help people for free. I was trying to show him, try to help him. And when he asked, he was saying that you recommended people, these brokers, but he doesn't trust this broker. I was like, yeah, my problem is I don't trust Just Forex. So I was like, I introduced to him to IC Markets or FX Pro. These are one of the biggest brokers in the world. But as the problem, especially with FX Pro, the reason why I don't recommend or I don't suggest it to new students, guys, is just because FX Pro, if you want to deposit initial deposit for FX Pro, it starts from $100. And I know most of you guys, $100 is a lot of money for you, So if you're a beginner, $100 might be too much for you. Some they want to start with $10, some they want to start with $30, some even they want to start as low as $5. That's why you guys, I suggest you Just Forex, because you can withdraw as little as $5 and can start, and you can learn trading. You can learn the principle, the basic concepts. You can grasp them using the Mbada strategy with even $5. But if you want to, these are the world recognized brokers. IC Markets, man, it's one of the biggest brokers. So I was like, if you don't trust Just Forex, just go for FX Pro. Like enough, he was like, yeah, I have FX Pro. That was good news. So this guy was like, how to learn your strategy. So this guy was trying to, he was genuine, and he wanted to learn my strategy. So as for me, I explained to him that my strategy, I will teach it for free, and I'm just waiting for me to reach 2,000 students. As you can see, I was trying to explain to him. So for me to read all these things, let me just explain to you what we did and how we were able to to have this conversation. So I was explaining to him, that as for me, my target is something like 2,000, even 10,000. If I reach 10,000 students, I was communicating with my broker so that you guys, if you use that link, I will be able to link your accounts with mine. So for me to link your accounts one by one, guys, I'm human, and also I'm a student, guys. I've got a lot of things to do, I've got my books to read and everything. So to you guys are a lot. So right now we are something like more than 100, So for me to link all of your accounts one by one to be too much. So I just want to do it as a group, just to do it once and for all. For example, once after 6 months, once and for all. I link your account with mine, you'll be able to see my trades, simple like that. So I was waiting for students to reach something like 2,000 or at least 3,000 or 4,000, so that you guys, I'll just tell you the steps, do this. I'll communicate with my broker, because there is a lot of things to do, me and my broker. I even talk to my broker, I'll show you the charts, everything, so that your account will be linked with mine, so that so that everything, you guys can benefit everything, because sometimes I won't even have time to send signals in the group. As for those who are in my group can even testify that I have not been sending signals lately. Yeah, so guys, this guy, he convinced me. He was like, yeah, bro, I want to know your strategy. I can't wait for others to reach 2,000. So he was like, what about if I pay you so that you can teach me your strategy? I was like, man, I do these things for free. People don't talk too much. I don't need people's money. I don't want people's money, and I don't need it. I just want to help people. He was like, yeah, what about 300? It was like 300 US or something like that. So this guy, for me, I saw him as someone who is serious, someone who really wants to learn the strategy. I was like, it's okay, let us give it a shot. And I gave him my payment details, those my screw and Nutella details, and see what he said. It was like he was like I said, I never tested your strategy or signal against forex, so I need to test first before taking any training. Also, in your group, only indices strategy and signal is reflecting. So indices is not what I trade. I was like, it's okay, it's pretty damn good. So as for me, I was just in a Euro USD. Let me show you. I was in a Euro USD signal. The Mr. Mbada blade-proof strategy. It tells me as let me just explain to you how we analyze the charts. I think, let me just explain so that nearly everyone can understand. As you know, this was Friday and this was Thursday. So this was the market's Thursday's high of the day. The market didn't reach this point. It didn't pass through this point. So after the market, reached the year, that was Thursday, it came all down. It created the high of the day here. It came all down and created a low of the day. So this was the low of the day. I think it was also the low of the week. So when the market reaches the low of the week or the low of the, it's either to go up and break this the high of the previous day. So that's what it did. It came here. So when the market reaches here, as you know, Mr. Mbada, we try by all means to neutralize the market. We try by all means to capitalize in every way, in every minute. So I knew that the market, when it reaches the previous high, is going to something, to have a drawback, something like that. It's going to have a retracement. It's going to go back somewhere, something, and reach somewhere, something like this point. After it shoots again and break this, this previous high. I knew it was going to break, So I realized that this is what a good point to give this guy. I just wanted to see if he's serious, So I gave him the signal. I just told him to just follow my signal. And I showed him my account is a real account, and the trades in the account was something like 1,000, So, as you know, that was the account of 2,000. Yeah, withdrew. I raised it from 1,000 from 2,000 to something like 3,000, 5,000 or something like that, and then I withdrew 2,000, and I think this is the account. So I was just showing him that I'm in profit already, so he can enter signal. I just send him privately signal sell Euro USD, but it's a bit late or something like that. Yeah, and we were just talking. So after some time, we were just talking, just having a conversation. I was just telling him about the robot which I created. I'll share it with you guys for free. So I was just showing to him that let's hope you are in. Here, see here the balance 1,500. But we are currently doubling the account. See, 3,200. We are doubling the account. So I was just telling him that, are you in? You know, we're doubling the account. So I realized that when it reaches this point, the Mbada Blade Professor told me that it's now going to break this previous high and shoot up high. So I just wanted to tell him that close this trade and enter a buy. You know, you've capitalized the market. See here, I've doubled the account. You've already capitalized the market. See what he wrote me. No, I was in loss. So he wanted to say I was in loss. So I closed it. Man, I was very, very pissed, to tell the truth. I was pissed off, you know. How can you, I gave you a signal. You enter. And do you know, guys, let me show you. So it's okay. Let me go to the charts and I'll explain to you. So when this happened, you know, I don't want this video to be too long. Hey, it's already long already. So when this happened, when the signals, for example, I gave him the signal somewhere around here. So I gave him the signal somewhere around here or something like that. So guys, trust me, the trade, like the trend or the candlesticks or the graph, guys, it doesn't move in a straight line. If it was moving on a straight line, every forex trader was going to be a millionaire, guys. Trust me. The graph, it doesn't move in a straight line. It comes all the way down. It went up, something like that, creating something like an M setup. For those who are professional traders, they know what I'm trying to say. So before it actually, you know, rocket down here. So this guy, I think when it went up like here, he saw himself in a loss and then he closed the trade without even letting me know. Guys, whenever I give a signal, wait for it to reach the stop loss or wait for me to announce to close the signal in loss, you know. Otherwise, you hold the signal. See what happened. I was really pissed, you know. How this guy was childish. And I was like, why did you close the trade? It was like, I'm testing your signal on a demo, man. Don't play around with me. I've got a lot of things to do. Don't play around with me. So let me just go back to what I'm explaining to you guys. So here, this was the final product. So let me just put it on 15 minutes chat. So it came here down here. And when it was here, I think I closed all the trades. I think I was on 3,500 or something like that. And I entered a strong buy. You see, because this was something like the previous, let me put on 13 minutes. This was something like the previous high, you know. I capitalized this drawback or this retracement, and then I entered here. Guys, see what happened. It rocketed here. See what happened. It rocketed here, and see my balance from 1,000 to 12,000 US dollars. It's possible if you just follow Mr. Mbada's strategy. Just believe in it, just follow it. Man, it is what it is. So yeah, I just wanted to show you something that, guys, the market doesn't move in a straight line. For example, if I tell you, when the market is somewhere here, I tell you to buy, you know, the market is here, and the market will go down something like this, and you close, man. It's your problem. It's your problem. Trading is not for you. Trust me. Just go and open a car wash or something like that, or try to wash people's car. Maybe that's your destiny or something like that. You have to learn to hold trades. You have to learn to have patience. I think I made a video about talking about patience, guys. You must be patient when it comes to this world. When it comes to this industry, guys, you must be patient. So, guys, yeah, let me just do the withdrawal. Let me pause the video and just do the withdrawal with you. And then, yeah, it will be done for today. So, yeah, guys, yeah, I'm clicking here on withdrawal. This is on Just Forex application, mobile application. Yeah, as you know, guys, I don't want this video to be too long. I withdrew to my Visa card, direct to my Visa card. So let me just pause so that I will enter my Visa card number and everything, and I will do the withdrawal. Yeah, guys, yeah, as you can see, the account is now on 00 balance. Let me just show you the history. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Yeah, that's the withdrawal. As you know, today it's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. So I think the funds will be credited to my account, to my bank, I think on Monday or Tuesday, something like that. Yeah, it will take only 1 or 2 days to reflect on my bank account, on my Visa card. But if you withdraw using Nutella or Skrill or something like that, it's instant, guys. That's just Forex. As you can see here, this is a real account, and that's my name over there. For those who are my students, who are actually they know my name. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. That's a withdrawal. You can't withdraw on a demo, man. It is what it is. It's Mr. Mbada. So, guys, I'm just trying to show you guys these things. If you want to be a professional trader, you have to be strong mentally. You have to be able to hold trades. You have to be, the market doesn't move in a straight line. Trust me. If you hope that the market move in a straight line, the trading is not for you. Go and start a car wash. Trust me. So yeah, guys. Yeah, it's a long video. So guys, yeah, stay blessed. I just want to show you these things and to motivate you from 1,000 to 12,000. It's happening, and you can do it from wherever you are. Just believe in the Mr. Mbada bulletproof strategy. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm signing out.